bulge has moved slightly further down. Digestion is progressing normally according to the vitals.
Agreed. The behavioral patterns.
The growth rate is stable across all subjects.
Good. Let's check the venom yield data for tank 7.
Egg secured. Transferring to tray 3.
Confirmed. Log that as specimen 12.
Accelerated growth of these magnificent reptiles, kept in a sterile, climate-controlled facility.
The scan looks clear, no abnormalities in the liver.
Weight is stable at 4.2 kilograms, doctor.
Look at the humidity spike in terrarium 3.
I see it. Adjusting the mist cycle now. Vitals look strong during the scan.
Yes, the heart rate is perfectly stable. We have a clear image here.
Seals checked and verified on Unit 7. Acknowledged. Scan the manifest.
Check the flow rate on the tanning vats. It seems slightly low.
Rerouting the excess to line 4 now.
This section meets the tensile strength requirements.
Good. The texture is perfect as well. We can proceed.
This section meets the tensile strength requirements.
Good. The texture is perfect as well. We can proceed.
The humidity reading is slightly elevated in tank 3.
It's within acceptable parameters, but let's monitor the next cycle closely.
The pH levels are stabilizing nicely on batch 3.
Good, we can increase the flow rate.
The thickness is within tolerance here.
Good, the texture looks consistent across the grain. Let's roll it up.
Scan results show a minor anomaly on sector 4.
Rerouting for secondary inspection now.
Is the manifest ready for this shipment?
Yes, everything is accounted for. Close it up.
Is the manifest ready for this shipment?
Yes, everything is accounted for. Close it up.
The tensile strength improved by 15% with the new polymer finish.
And the texture remains consistent across the samples.